Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 climate change facts that will shock you. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and it's important that we are informed about the facts and realities of this global problem. In this video, we will be discussing the top 10 facts about climate change that will shock and surprise you. These facts will give you a deeper understanding of the impact of climate change on our planet and what we can do to address it. We will also be discussing how it affects different regions and industries. So, let's get started. Fact number 1. The Earth's temperature has risen by 1.1 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era. This might not seem like a lot, but it's enough to cause significant changes in our climate and weather patterns. This warming trend is expected to continue and will have a significant impact on coastal regions as well as low-lying areas, which are at risk of flooding due to sea level rise. Fact number 2. The Arctic sea ice is melting at an alarming rate. In the last 30 years, we've lost about 40% of Arctic sea ice volume. This has major implications for global sea levels and marine life. The Arctic is also known as the air conditioner of the world as it helps regulate the global climate. As it melts, it will lead to warmer temperatures and more extreme weather events in other regions of the world. Fact number 3. Climate change is causing more severe and frequent heat waves. Heat waves are becoming more common and more intense, leading to health risks and economic losses. It not only affects human health but also crops and animals. The agriculture and livestock sectors are also at risk as heat waves can cause crop failures and heat stress in animals. Fact number 4. Climate change is affecting our food supply. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns are leading to crop failures and food shortages. As temperatures rise, pests and diseases are also spreading to new regions, further damaging crops. This could lead to food insecurity and price hikes, particularly in developing countries. Fact number 5. Climate change is causing sea level rise. The world's oceans are rising at an alarming rate, putting coastal cities and communities at risk of flooding and storm surges. This is a huge threat to the real estate and tourism industries, and many coastal communities will be forced to relocate. Fact number 6. Climate change is leading to more extreme weather events. From hurricanes to droughts, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and more severe as a result of climate change. This is causing significant damage to infrastructure and property, and it's also affecting the insurance industry as the cost of claims is rising. Fact number 7. Climate change is affecting our biodiversity. As temperatures rise, many plant and animal species are struggling to adapt, leading to declines in biodiversity. This has implications for the conservation and tourism industries, as well as the ecological balance of our planet. Fact number 8. Climate change is causing ocean acidification. As carbon dioxide is absorbed into the oceans, it causes the water to become more acidic, which is bad news for marine life. This affects the fishing and seafood industries, as well as the health of the oceans and the creatures that depend on them. Fact number 9. Climate change is affecting our health. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and air pollution are all linked to negative impacts on our health. This affects not only the healthcare sector but also the productivity and quality of life of individuals. Fact number 10. Climate change is a global problem that requires a global solution. It cannot be solved by one country or one industry alone. We all have a role to play in addressing climate change, whether it's through reducing our carbon footprint, supporting renewable energy, or advocating for government policies that address the issue. So there you have it, the top 10 climate change facts that will shock you. These facts give us a glimpse into the impact of climate change on our planet and how it affects different regions and industries. It's important that we all take action to address this global problem. If we work together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and please share this video with your friends and family. Let's start a conversation about climate change and how we can make a difference.